And so, ladies and gentlemen, this MMA rules bout takes place in the minus 61 kilogram division, bantamweight division, and this bout will be contested over 3 5-minute rounds. Your referee in charge when the action gets underway, the excellent Mr. Ilya Lucic. Introducing to you firstly, in the blue corner, age 27, he stands at 165 centimeters tall. His record thus far, a perfect one. 4 fights with 4 wins. Representing Pentagym Prague from the Czech Republic, please welcome Jan Vaclavek. And opposing him on the other side of the cage, he's fighting out of the red corner. Age 23, he stands at 171 centimeters tall. His record, also a perfect one. 1 fight and 1 win. He's representing Fight Company Belgrade from Serbia. It's Vojislav Simicic. And both fighters to the center, please, for your final instructions.
Gentlemen, you know the rules. Fight clean, listen to my commands at all times, keep yourself protected. Touch gloves, step back.
The referee, Mr. Ilya Lucic, giving fighters their last orders. These are the stats. What do you make of those, Chris?
Yeah, undefeated records is the best version of an opponent either fighter has faced in their careers. Both have IMAF experience.
So, 1 of 3 FNC MMA rules employed here tonight. Fighting southpaw already. We see Simicic bring up the high kick. Switch back to orthodox. And the striking skills, both very serviceable from these two. And big hands being employed now as Vaclavek starts to open up, dominating the center of the ring. In for the grasp. In for a clinch, up on the wire. It's a little bit of inboxing there, Chris, but on the wire now, and it's a fairly even pace so far.
Yeah, great defense here from Vaclavek. He's so, I think, just crafty at making his grappling work for MMA. Did a great job of getting his back off the fence. But this is the creativity from Simicic, right? He can press the takedown, and he's got really heavy hands with the kicks. He's got the full package.
Goes for a shoot, tries for the takedown. Unsuccessful, but up against the wire now. And I have to say, Simicic starting to get much more aggressive, defending. Vaclavek succeeds, but doesn't work out in his favor.
Yeah, very interesting to see the tie-up. Heavy use of the whizzer here. Trying to work the knee slice. He's cleared the leg. Very nice from Vaclavek. He's got a front headlock position. Could go, could go arm and guillotine. Nice, beautiful belly-to-back technique.
Still working from the top. Vaclavek trying to work things out, trying to pick the locks. Good defense on both sides there, really rolling here. Nice fluidity to the work. And, still in that upright clinch now. No one's managed to advantage themselves.
Yeah, but this is the game, right? You test your opponent, you try to work your grips. Beautiful duck under. Can you go around? No, not quite. Dropping for the double. This is what I wanted to see. Excellent grappling for MMA for both fighters. And it's not just anything on its own. It's all being worked in with the punches, the hammer fists, the cage work.
There's the takedown at last. Simicic gets to where he wants to be. And, you know, you look at the history of these two. Amateur level, high performance, IMMAF veterans. But Simicic has the back now, and he's going to look to work this. There's still 2.5 minutes in this first round. I suppose Vaclavek is going to struggle much in this position. He's crouched down, and he's trying to keep anything that's exposed tight to his body. Can Simicic get on top? Can he make it work? No, great escapology.
Yeah, beautiful job there denying the back take. I really like Vaclavek's awareness of when he needs to kind of work off the fence, when he needs to be patient, compress himself. Everything was really lovely there. And again, you know, both these guys have such experience in making their grappling work for MMA. I just love it. All the bases were there before they came to FNC, and you're seeing that.
Good, steady work, encompassing everything. Oh, nice little trip, hip throw there. Get around the outside. Up on the wire now. Simicic trying to get the shots in. Good grips though from Vaclavek. Takes the leg now. Can he purchase? And trying to use the wire. Simicic, but being denied. Really working hard, Simicic. But oh, Kimura there throws his man. This is great rolling.
Amazing transitions. Look at this again. This is back attack, exposure, defense. Nod from Vaclavek. Beautiful. He's doing a really good job of every time he's in this position to use the 2-on-1. You can see what I mean about grabbing at least across to one wrist and then clasping over the elbow.
Struggling just a little bit, Vaclavek. Simicic staying with it. He's got one hook in. Now he's starting to overtake. Getting good position here. That one hook and the body triangle is working really well here. Got a forearm in. Crowd right behind him.
Great defense here from Vaclavek. He's doing such a good job again of just fighting the grips. He can't fight the legs right now. He's giving up the body triangle, but this is the most important thing. You either need to fight the legs or you need to fight the upper body. In this case, he's defending his neck really nicely, Will.
And the clock's in his favor. We're clicking down, could be on the 10-second, but can Simicic make something happen here? Can he get a lock in? I don't think he can. Too much experience from Vaclavek, and we're seeing that play out here.
Vaclavek is doing everything he can here to deny this, and good. It was really smart, right? His corner was telling him to wait, ride the clock, don't try to use too much energy and get out of this thing. Get back to your stool, and that's exactly what he did.
Well, I was hoping for an opportunity to see a tail of the tape. No replay. What we can do is go to the corners, and you can see both trainers having strong words. This is a very evenly balanced matchup here tonight. Hardly a cigarette paper between the two talents. A lot of talent, high-level MMA. The transitions through the grappling have been absolutely excellent. I think we might see a difference in the stand-up here. As I said, Vaclavek likes to explode with heavy shots. The high-level grappling. There we go. Reverse spinning back kick. Ushiro Mawashigeri. We see Simicic open up there with a little bit of flash. Will we see the stand-up of the boxing skills come into fore? A big right hand, there's the ground and pound, and just look at this. Simicic all over it. He's going to take the opportunity. He hurt Vaclavek, and down goes Vaclavek. He's trying to defend here. Can Simicic make an impact?
Oh, he's seriously hurt. Willie got floored. Beautiful kick to an overhand right. The referee steps in.
That's it. It's a tap out. It's had to be stopped. That's it. It's a TKO. And that got the job done. Wow. That was absolute magic. What a finish there. Superb. Seconds into the second round. Vojislav Simicic able to add